So we newly announced IT workforces. IT teams can deploy lots of agents. This gives you an overall view of how AI is performing across multiple channels. Let's dive in. So we start with a performance overview for how these agents are performing. In general, you have an idea of the number of tickets prevented, the average response time to the end user, potential hours saved based on the ticket types, and the number of incidents that were transferred to a human for escalation. It gives you an overall view of the number of conversations handled per day and the top 5 questions or the topics that users have had. And down at each one, you can see each individual interaction, what channel they were on. So this is a live web chat. The user asked about a password reset, and she deleted her MS Authenticator device, at which time, and you have direct access to the full link. Okay, and you can see there's multiple interactions, some via live chat, some via email, some via web chat, some via WhatsApp. You have different messages here available. Let's see how it works. Configure an IT workforce. You set up a controller agent that orchestrates communication across multiple sub-agents. So a user can go in and ask any question to the orchestration agent. It'll help understand the request, triage it, and forward it over to other specialized agents as per needed. In this particular case, we have a ServiceNow agent that's trained on the ServiceNow knowledge base and ServiceNow has the ability to create tickets and modify tickets. We have a GitHub agent that's able to create GitHub accounts and create GitHub repos and assign users to repos. We have a Workday HR agent that's able to connect to Workday and make sure that a user account is configured and set up correctly. We have agents here that are able to connect to Slate and see a student's profile and validate their credentials, etc. We have agents here that are able to connect to Microsoft Dynamics, as well as agents that are able to connect to Canvas, okay, and do administrative operations like check the status of a course. Let's dive in and show you how one of these agents works. So if I go in here and I edit the ServiceNow agent, in here you have a profile where you can see the basic agent for how it performs. You can configure its knowledge base via files, web pages, OneDrive, Google Drive, Box, and Microsoft Fabric. We have LLM options that you can enable or disable web search, image generation, and code execution. We have actions that are custom actions. So this one in here has both a ServiceNow action to create ServiceNow tickets, okay, as well as MCP servers to go in and retrieve data from the knowledge base. This agent can be published on multiple channels, including Agent Marketplace, an API listener, web chat interface, an email inbox, or Copilot in Teams. Okay. And lastly, here we have agent access, where you can say that this agent has access for all users, so it can request access, and an admin support team has the ability to administer and monitor this agent. So these agents all work together seamlessly with an orchestration agent to help deliver a consistent experience across multiple channels, including web, email, chat, etc., and all roll up into an overall unified view of how these agents are working in concert across these different touch points.